Yeah.
Ew! What's ew?
I smell that smoke.
It's not smoke.
What is it?
It's steam to make it hot for the iguana. Or the lizard. I think it's just a lizard. Look at him. He's a green iguana. You're right. He's an iguana.
Oh, yeah.
You like him?
Oh.
Look at him crawling. He's coming to say hi to you.
Hi, little green iguana. Oh, the green iguana wants to keep me. Oh, she likes me.
She's like you. You want to go look at the birds?
Yeah.
Come on.
Hey, there's...
Come on down.
Hey,
See those birds up there?
yeah, I want to go here. I want to go right here. Can I go in there, please?
I don't know.
Hey, what?
What's in there?
I like those birds.
You like those birds?